Bolymich Executive Car Hire, you guys operate in Ibadan and Lagos. But from Ibadan and Lagos, you can actually go to different states.
Yes, anywhere in Nigeria. Bolymich Executive Car Hire is a company that hire car out to people that need it. We do some services like we pick up people from airports, both international airports and local airports, Ibadan airports and Lagos airports, to their destination. We do conferences. We hire car for conferences, wedding, any occasion that you.
So once you are just going anywhere that you need
can
a
just
car,
give us a call.
You need a private car to take you there safely.
Yes.
Well, even if you want securities.
Yes.
You do escort.
Yes, we can give you security too.
Wow. Okay, what if a client call you that they want you to come and pick them maybe in Abuja to Ibadan?
We can do.
Or they want you guys to come and pick them from Ilorin to Ibadan to Lagos?
We can do.
You can actually go there.
Yes.
A client, when they book you, that they don't have any problem booking you.
Our company is registered on CAC.
How do you operate? Will they book you ahead or?
Yes, they will book us ahead.
They make payments?
Not all payment. They can just make deposit and then we give them their service, and then after we finish the service,
they can balance up.
Pay us off. Yes.
Okay. It depends on the deal they want.
We do 7 days, 14 days, 21 days, any days they want. Just give us a call. Our number is there. So
what's the name on social media?
It's still Bolymich Executive Car Hire.
Still the same name, Bolymich Executive
Car
Hire.
Yes.
So, and your company is registered, so you assure people to put their mind at rest.
No problem about that.
So for a lot of people to reach out to you,
our number is 070-6629-4580. The second one 080-7862-7598.
And your email?
bolymichcarhire@gmail.com.
Okay. So you pick up from anywhere in Nigeria?
Anywhere to their destination. By the airport, Lagos airport.
Táwọn tó bá fẹ́ ṣe ìgbéyàwó wọ́n lè pè yín.
Yes.
Ẹ dẹ̀ máa gbé wọn láti ibi tán ti láti hotel dé anywhere tó máa fẹ́. Tó máa fẹ́ kẹ́ lò bóyá 3 days pẹ̀lú àwọn gan.
Yes.
Tó máa fẹ́ lọ sọ́ní mú kọ́.
Yes, they should just give us a call. A máa gbé wọn lọ.
Wow. Téèyàn bá ń bọ̀ láti abroad tó ní pé ibo ni màá dé sí o. Kókàn pé Bolymich Executive Car.
Yes. We do pick people from UK, US, Canada. Tó máa ti fún wa ní land time wọn.
Àti venue àti airport ẹ máa lọ pick wọn then destination tó bá ń lọ.
People coming from Abuja to Ibadan airport, I dey pick one from Ibadan airport. People come from outside the country, they want to land in Lagos, I dey pick one from Lagos airport.
Wow. Wọ́n tó bá dẹ̀ fẹ́ jáde tó fẹ́ travel tó fẹ́ gbé mọ́tò ẹ̀ dání tó fẹ́ káwọn kankan gbé lọ kán drop ẹ̀. So thank you so much. I think you know much about Bolymich Executive Car now.
Yes, sir.
So they are on social media and you can reach out to them on social media. Bolymich Executive Car. Please do well and do good to patronize them. And I'm very sure you won't regret. Thank you.